Okay, now these are some other websites that I built, and these were actually the exercises in the Udacity class. Obviously, you had quite a bit of flexibility as of what you could actually do, but I just wanted to show a little bit of what we did in that class on website development. So one of the exercises was to write a blog. So the basic idea is this is simply just a bare bones blog, and I guess that's a pretty standard exercise for website development. I added a little extra touch. These are record covers from Last FM. I have a scrobbler on my phone, so those were the strange eclectic songs that I was most recently listening to. So not too fancy here, but the basic idea is that you can make an entry. He went through a lot of the logistics about storing logins and passwords. This, like everything else, was is hosted on the Google App Engine, all in Python, and then it's just HTML on the front end, and there's not really even much JavaScript at all in this site here, but fairly simple. So basically, the idea is here I have logged in, and this exercise uses the NoSQL Google data store. It also uses they have a memcache that you can use as well. So it has you make use of that as well. What you can do then is, in fact, you can even click on the entry and it'll give you the page, or you can go back to the main page, and you can do things simply. Like I say, not really the best UI here at all, but let's just say we made a new post. Let's see what we can do. I just copied and pasted this quote. That's Billy Burroughs. And submit, and it stores it in the database, and now we have this web entry, and once again go back to what I call Blogville here. So that's basically it. I mean, it's a blog. It stores your entries. Very nice. Another thing that it did, another exercise, was also to build a wiki. In the wiki, the idea is that we do have several entries here. And let's see, we can look at an entry. We can also look at the history of that entry. We can see what previous versions of. Let's go back to the main wiki, and we're in here. I think I kind of forget how to make a new entry, so that's sort of problematic. But let's just see here. All right, so it's we actually can make any kind of entry just by with the URL. So let's say if I wanted to have one called test entry here. All right, I have it called test entry, and I can go yada yada whatever, and that comes in, and that's stored in the wiki. Now I can also edit the wiki, right? Because maybe that's the whole point of a wiki. This guy is wacky. Totally change it, and now we've got test entry is completely different. So now you can go back and see the history. It doesn't really have the user who did it. That probably would be a nice addition. In any case, so now there's an entry for this this item here. One of the nice exercises in the blog. Several other things, but these are great frameworks for developing web apps.